The laboratory procedure for lingual orthodontics begins with the fabrication of the setup model with overcorrections, the quality of which is crucial for the final result. The Hero system is used to fabricate the appliances, recognized for its ability to adapt to the lingual morphology and allow for precise bracket placement through indirect bonding with silicone trays. The process continues with the preparation of the maxillary and mandibular arch wires, establishing reference points that ensure correct alignment and respect the relationship with the gingival margin. The placement of the brackets, starting with the 6 anterior teeth, requires precise wire ligation and possible adjustments to the arch wire for a proper fit. The individual trays are fabricated on the setup model using light-cured materials, adapted to each tooth, and labeled for identification. To customize the bracket base, composite is applied to fill the spaces between the bracket and the tooth surface. Finally, the Incognite system is developed using digital technologies that allow for the design of customized brackets, guaranteeing fit, comfort, and clinical precision.